can earn $100,000 a year or more online from home using nothing but a free and simple artificial intelligence software. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to make money online using ChatGPT. So making money online has never been easier as it is today, thanks to this revolutionary tool called ChatGPT. So essentially, it's a form of artificial intelligence software that allows you to create hundreds of different businesses straight from home. Now, I have an entire video explaining exactly what is ChatGPT and how it works, but in this video, I'm going to share with you different ways that you can use this tool, ChatGPT, to make money online, to start your own business and make 6 figures or more a year using nothing but this tool. Now, at the end of this video, I'm actually going to go deeper and share with you the 3 steps that you have to do right now in order to literally start that business as soon as tomorrow. So with that being said, let's begin. So the first way that you can make money online using ChatGPT is actually through writing and copywriting services, right? So copywriting is actually one of the highest paid form of services that are available online. And in the past, studying copywriting has been super hard. Me personally, I read dozens and dozens of books about copywriting before I even thought about calling myself a copywriter or before my copywriting was even any good. But today you can actually do that much faster without literally knowing a lot about copywriting using the power of ChatGPT. So what can you sell? You can sell sales pages, and I'm going to show you prices and like how much of an income you can make in just a second. You can sell sales pages, landing pages, emails, website pages, and also blog posts, and give those services to different kinds of people. And let's see exactly how much you can earn using this kind of service. So a normal sales page is actually priced anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000 for copy alone without actually building that sales page. You can sell a landing page copy for anywhere from $500 to $1,000. You can sell an email anywhere from $60 to $200 per email, right? So if you have a client or a business that sends an email every single day, just calculate how much money you can actually make by writing emails for them using ChatGPT. You can actually create website copy and price it for about $200 per page. And you can also write blog posts. In a previous video, I showed you exactly how I wrote a blog post in like a few seconds with only like giving a cue to ChatGPT. And you can price those anywhere from $150 all the way to $500, depends on the length of the blog post. The second way that you can make money online using ChatGPT is through Facebook ad services, where essentially you will create and run ads to your clients, which are business owners, in order to sell their things through Facebook ads, right? So you will essentially create the ads, run them using the Facebook targeting AI. I don't know if you know this, but today you don't have to be a genius in order to run Facebook ads because their AI is absolutely amazing in finding the right buyers for the right people. And then you simply need to report the results. So the question is, how much can you earn? So the average Facebook ad agency actually charges anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000 a month. And some of them actually also charge a percentage of the spend, right? So let's say that my client actually spends somewhere around $100,000 a month. I will take a percentage of that extra as the agency. So just imagine that you will land about 5 different retainer clients. Retainer means like monthly recurring clients that you manage their Facebook ads on a month-to-month basis. You can actually make around $15,000 a month using this kind of model, using nothing but ChatGPT. The third way that you can make money online using ChatGPT is through selling SEO services, right? So SEO is essentially the art of search engine optimization, where you will provide services for website owners in the form of writing blog posts and articles whose job is to essentially appear on Google search results, right? Because if I'm at a potential customer and I look for the best plastic pools to buy and your article is actually the #1 in Google search results, most chances are that I will end up buying my pool from you. And that's why businesses spend so much money on SEO agencies in order to give them that organic juice, in order to bring in customer through Google search results, right? So as an SEO agency, you will essentially write SEO optimized articles and blog posts. You will build all kinds of links. It's like a different kind of video about that. And then again, you will report back the results for your clients. And how much can you earn from that? a lot. The average SEO agency charges anywhere from $2,500 to $5,000 a month per client, and prices can actually grow depending on the niche and the client, right? For example, niches that are more B2B, business to business, actually charge normally higher rates because the SEO is that much more competitive. So just imagine that you will land 5 retainer SEO clients. You can make as much as $12,500 a month simply by writing articles and building links through ChatGPT. Super, super cool. Now, the fourth way that you can make money online using ChatGPT is through selling email marketing services, right? Email is still the number one way through which businesses make money online, right? So businesses do advertise and market on Facebook, on social media, on TikTok, whatever it is. But what most people don't know is that most of the money is actually made through email marketing, right? And that's why email marketers and people who know how to write captivating emails that make money make a lot of money. So essentially, what do you do as an email marketing agency? First of all, you plan email topics according to your client's promotional calendar. So let's say that this is the month of December or January, and your client wants to promote 5 different products. You will write emails in order to promote and sell those products to their email list. Then you will write those emails. It can be daily emails, weekly emails for them. And you will also measure your EPC and report the results. What is EPC? Is essentially earnings per clicks. So every single person that clicked a link inside your email, how much money they made you. That is how an email marketing agency actually reports the results for their clients. But the question is, how much money can you actually earn from that? A lot. So the average email agency charges anywhere from $60 for a beginner agency all the way to $200 per email, right, as an agency. And prices again can grow depending on your results. If you're the kind of agency that already has an experience and you can prove to your clients that your EPC, your earners per clicks, is relatively high above the industry standard, you can actually charge a lot more than that per email. Once I actually charge as much as $500 per my emails simply because they made my clients so much money, right? Now just imagine that you will land 5 different retainer clients with 3 emails per week. Simply writing 3 emails per week per client, you can earn as much as $12,000 a month simply by doing that. And again, ChatGPT can write the emails for you. Now, the 5th way that you can make money online using ChatGPT, I decided to spice it up and give you something a little bit different, is translating services, right? So ChatGPT can actually translate any language into any language. So what you can actually do is translate content into different languages. You can translate email, blog posts, sales pages, and more. So let's say that you have a company that wants to go international. So you can actually take their existing material, simply throw it inside of ChatGPT and translate the whole thing and give it to them. And then you will charge your services per word. That's usually how translation services work. So how much can you earn? So the average price that a translation agency normally charges their client is about 19 cents per word, approximately on average, right? Prices can grow again depending on your quality, depending on your niche. So let's say that you will translate 1,500 word blog post. It can make you anywhere from $285 to $300 for that translation, which will take you like 2.5 seconds using ChatGPT. So let's say that you will translate about 5 different posts a day for your clients. You can make as much as $1,500 a day using ChatGPT, which is again completely free. How mind-blowing is that? So with that being said, let me show you exactly how to get started making money online with ChatGPT using any of the business models that I've mentioned before. All you need to follow are 3 simple steps. Step number 1 is to open a free ChatGPT account. Again, ChatGPT is free right now, so take advantage of that and use it as much as you can, as fast as you can. I can't really remember the URL ever. So all you have to do is type in nataliya.com/ChatGPT and hit enter, and it will take you to the ChatGPT website. I made it like that just in case they will change their URL in the future. And then all you have to do is click on sign up, and you will be able to sign up using a Google account, using an email account, or whatever it is for you. Again, sign up is completely free. You don't even need a credit card. Then once you're inside, the interface will look something like that. So remember that. Let's move on to step number 2. Step number 2 is to open a free Fiverr account. So Fiverr is essentially a big old marketplace where freelancers offer their services for sale But the difference between Fiverr and most other marketplaces is that you productize your freelance business, meaning instead of saying, I'm a freelancer, hire me, and then you have to have like long sales calls with clients, etc., etc. In Fiverr, you simply have to offer your service as a product. For example, you will post a gig where you say, I will write you an email for $60, and a client can just click and they will buy your service. Or you can post another gig saying, I will write you a sales page for $1,500. Again, the client, all they have to do, they were looking for somebody to write them a sales page. You don't have to convince them that it's important. All they have to do is click on a button and you will get the money and you will be able to provide the service. So super, super simple. So what you wanna do is go to nataliya.com/Fiverr, Fiverr. And then once you sign up, again, sign up is free. The interface will look something like that. And then step number 3 is simply to post your first gig on the Fiverr platform. And let me show you what is possible here. So if you're gonna take a look at the above menu, you will see that there are a bunch of things that people actually offer for sale on Fiverr. And let me go to the writing and translation section, where essentially you can see like people sell email copy, social media copy, sales copy, ad copy. People write a LinkedIn profile for other people, cover letters, resume writing. Like the options are literally unlimited. So what I propose you do is you will actually go and get into the category that interests you and see what's available, right? It might be the case where if you're brand new to the platform, you might need to price your services way lower in the beginning just to gain some traction, gain some reviews, gain some customers and clients, and also to become better in what you do. But then over time, as you will have more successes under your belt, more clients under your belt, your rates will go up and up and up, and eventually you won't even need Fiverr. People will just come to you because they heard of you from some other person, right? So I hope this video has been helpful for you in understanding exactly how to make money using ChatGPT. If you want to sign up for ChatGPT, again, it's completely free right now. Simply go to nataliya.com/ChatGPT and also comment below what is your favorite way of making money using ChatGPT, which of those ways you actually chose, or if you have a different idea that I haven't shared here, please let me know in the comment below. Now, if you want to support this channel, please do subscribe and hit like on this video. It really helps me to get the word out about this channel, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Until then, yalla bye.